Me first.
All right, we got our July audio check. See what you guys sound like in the month of July of 2015. Say your name.
My name is Solomon, and Solomon Reese.
Sorry, don't look like that, dude.
My name is Watney. That's what Mickey called me, Watney.
All right, next.
My name is Isaiah, and it's my birthday.
Next.
My name is Judah.
And it's almost there.
And yeah.
Girl.
Say, my name is Lanaya.
You know what to say, girl. Stop acting like you can't talk. Talk, Felicia.
Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Bye, Felicia.
All right, so what's significant about this summer so far that sticks out?
I'm gonna play football. I'm gonna say all the flags, and I'm gonna make all the touchdowns.
Well, it's
and make a fumble and go right up the middle with my blockers and just.
I didn't say this was the preseason predictions. I said what's been significant about summer.
It's my birthday and this is my first time playing tackle football.
Judah, what's been significant about your summer?
Going through the beach.
What?
Lanaya, what's been cool about summer?
Felicia.
What's been fun for you?
And
Please pass the
mustard.
Okay, well, there you go.
Okay, I think it's your turn.
You did. You were the first one to talk, dude.
I'm going.
Y'all just ate flips or eating flips. Or y'all keep trying to run out here. Trying to run to eat flips. All right, well, go and eat the flips. Bye.
I ran out of juice in mine.
Well, you better get to sucking some more out.
Yeah, I'm just letting mine melt.
All right.
Because in the icy, I don't taste no more juice. But once it melts, I taste a bunch of juice. Because it's the juice.
All right. Yeah. Flips is called juice. But if it was melted, it'll just be regular old Kool-Aid. All right, go ahead.